is your girl, your one and only sister AB, Media AB. Media. I hope you guys are doing well today. I hope you guys are doing all right. So today I'm bringing something that is very important for us. Something that we know, a lot of us know about it. A lot of us know about this I want to say out today. So my new subscribers, let me just thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for everything you guys are doing for me. And more you guys are doing for me. More blessings to your families. My old subscriber, you guys are welcome. And you guys, God will bless your family. Bless everything you lay your hand on. Everything that you already make my day every day. All time I wake up, I used to see your comments and everything about today. I want to talk about guys, I need to talk about something that is very important, something that you will know. A lot of us know it, African people know about it. I don't know, some people call it oli, some call it like shea butter, is how you pronounce it. Shea butter. You know, this thing is very, very good. It's very good for body. It's very, very good for a lot of things. You can see my own sample. I have it here in my hand. You know this shea butter? Yeah. See, look at it here. You can see it here, where the color is. Let me bring it so you can see very well. Do you see the color of it? Shea butter is very good. Very, very good for body. It's very, very alright. It's very, very good for a lot of things. It cure a lot of things. If you are a footballer, if you are playing ball, if you have injury, you can apply this thing. It's very good for bones too. With that, women, if you have breasts, or if you don't have breasts, or you have small one, if you want your breast, this thing, a lot of things, it working a lot of things. So don't look at it because of the way it is, but this thing is working. I cannot lie for you. If you want your body to be stand, even though you're married or you have baby, you already your baby feeling or your everything there now, come and use it to massage it all the place. Use this sherry, this thing is very working. It's working. It's working. This thing is very good. Use it to massage your chest. Use it to massage your chest. It's very, very good for body. Very, 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 very. I'm a living testimony for that. Sometimes I have cold. What are you? I will just try and massage myself, massage my side. Everything is going to be fine. So guys, I'm talking about shea butter. This shea butter is very, very good. It's very, very good. If you don't have it, you have to get it. It's very, very good. You can tell your people to bring original. You know they have original one on it. So you have to try and get it. Shea butter is very good. It's something that is very natural, not fake, just natural. You can apply it in your chest. If you want your breast to be standing, if you want your boobs to be standing up every time, you don't want your boobs to be down, you can apply it. You understand, all your chest here, you can apply it. You can apply by your side. You can apply this place. You can apply it. You just carry your. Sometimes it's good, you know. Sometimes it's good to be massage ourselves. Do you know why? Because of cancer. You know, it's good to massage your breasts. If you don't know about it, it's good to massage your breast very, very well. If you can tell your husband to massage your breast for you, you can tell your fiance to massage your breast. Just try to be massaging your breast. It's very important. It's very, very important. I'm telling everybody. You have to massage, especially women, you have to massage our breast. When you hold it like this shea butter, you can use it to massage, rub it in your hands like this. You rub it in your hand. Do you see it? I rub it in my hand now. You see it, you massage, you put it here, hold your breast like this way. You hold it this way, massage it very well, massage this side, massage it very well, and rub it well, massage it very well. It will be inside. You know this shea butter, why I love it is that When he's working inside the bone, inside, not outside. He's working inside the bone. So you don't think that you can be seeing it that is nothing, but it's working inside bone. And sometimes when you have pain in your legs, when you have pain in your legs, like your nails is paining you, you're not feeling okay with your nail, my dear, just I'm telling you, when you try it, when you try this shea butter, it's going to help you. Your bone, all the bone inside your leg, this your leg, all your nails that sometimes you used to pain. So you have to rub it inside there. My dear, is working inside, is not working outside. Is touching the bones inside, stretching them. You can be seeing it if you buy your original one. Like me now, if I want to get it, I used to get it in like all these native Yoruba women that used to sell like abo, all these things. If I want to tell someone to get it for me, the person will go to the main place inside market, but those mama, those old women where they say that they get the original one. So when you rub it, you'll be seeing the bone will be making like it. You will know that it's the original one. For the small time, when you rub it, you will not reach like 5 minutes. You'll be seeing your bone making like this way. It will be drawing you like this. It's working inside, it's not working outside. So this shea butter is very, very good. If you don't know about shea butter, I'm telling you, you can have cold, you can have your nose is blocked, nothing is going. You can apply it in your nose. You can apply it in your nose here. If you have boil, your boil is coming in your face, all these things, you can apply it in that your boil. You will see everything will be going, everything will be looking well, everything will be fine. You'll be surprised. So shea butter is very, very good. Like me now, I used to apply it in my breast because we that have big balls like this, sometimes you will feel pains. You will feel pains. Sometimes you want to sleep, you will sleep like you do a mistake and you will not sleep well. So your breast will be paining you, feeling one kind of pain inside because of the way you put your hands. It can be saying you put your hand in your breast, you don't know. So the pain will be coming. So I use it to massage my breast, very, very well. And it's good. I use it to massage my breast and it's working well for me. It's working well for me. I will not feel pain. I will not feel any pain anywhere, and it's no pain. If I feel pain in my legs, sometimes I use it in my legs. When I feel pain in my leg, and it's very, very good for the cold time because you know that cold is coming very soon. Cold is coming. So if you can get it from Africa, get it. If you're outside country, if you can get it, just try and get it. Tell your family to get it for you. It's very, very good. Even for kids, it's very, very good for your children. You can rub it for your kids by the side. If there's cold, you can rub it for your children by the side like this. Rub it this way for them. Rub it this way for them. Cover them. They will not be feeling sick and they will not be feeling pain anywhere there is cold. So I'm telling you, if you don't have this shea butter, is very, very good. And when you're buying shea butter, buy original one because they have original shea butter. When you buy it, you will see when you rub it in your body, you will feel it that you rub something. For a little one that I put in my hand right now, I can feel the way the thing is doing in my body. You understand? For the little one, you will not feel pains. And you know why I like shea butter. Shea butter, you can apply it in your cream. You can put a little in your cream. Mix it with your cream. It's very, very good. You make your body look different. People will be asking, what do you use? But you don't use something that some people will say me and they will say, maybe what are you using? But they don't know that I'm using just simple thing, something that is not expensive. But when God give you, when you know that something that you know that this thing is good for your body and this thing is good, it's going to work in your body. It's not something that you bleach or your body will be looking badly. No, this one is natural cream you'll be using. Some people apply this shea butter only, they will use it as their cream. Some people do it like that, but some people mix it in their cream. It's very, very good. So women, we can use it to massage our chest, use it to massage our breast, use it to massage anywhere in our body. Massage it. And if you want your breast to be standing, you don't want your breast to be go down, or when you have baby, or when you never have baby, your breast will just go down. My dear, you can use shea butter to massage your boobs. You can use shea butter to massage your breast. Massage your breast. Before you know, your breast will be standing, and it will not be going down, 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 down. No, it cannot be going down again. Try this thing I'm telling you. You can see, you give me the testimony back. When you use shea butter, you massage your boobs. We will be women. You know, say sometimes some people will go and do something they don't want to do because of they want their breast to stand, and because of that they go and do something, plastic surgery, this to make their breast to stand. My dear, you don't need it. Just use shea butter. Use shea butter. When you use it every day. If you want it to be, use it every day. Massage it. Massage the corner like this. Massage it very, very well. Come this way. Massage it very, very well. When you massage it and massage it very, very well, you will see every time you will see different. Your breast will be even having a space, and everything will be going well. Your body will be feeling all your body, even if there is pain here, because sometimes when there is cold, pain will be coming in our chest like this. When there's cold, buy this shea butter, use it in your chest here, massage yourself. It's not must unto your husband. Massage yourself here, massage it very well. All your pains, all the whole pains will be going. All the whole pains will be going. All your this place, massage it very well. Don't need to do because a lot of us don't massage themselves. Massage yourself, or tell your husband to massage you. Massage your chest, all this place, massage it. Is good. You know, we are women, when you have breast, you understand, you have to tell your husband or your fiancé, baby, massage me. If you don't accept to massage you, my dear, carry shea butter in your hand. It's not that must your husband will massage you, but you have to help yourself to be strong. You have to help yourself to be strong. I will not lie for you. You have to help yourself to be strong. You have to use your hand. Take shea butter, put in your hand. Massage yourself when you take your shower finish. Massage yourself. When you massage it finish, you come this way, massage this side, massage it very well. Massage it very well. Massage it. Massage the mouth. Not you just stay there. It's why some of us have sick. Some of us will just, because we're not doing something. And it's good to your husband to be sucking your breast. Let me tell you that now. Let me tell you something. It's good to your husband be sucking your breast. If you are doing it, I don't want my breast to go down. My husband, don't spoil this breast. You know, my dear, it's good to your husband, your hobby, your love, to be sucking your breast. Because if you didn't suck it, it's cancer you're creating for yourself. If you don't know, make you know. So it's good to allow your husband to be testing your breast, to be sucking it. Even though you're giving baby, that one is different. But it's good to your husband to be sucking your breast, so it will be, you will not get any infection, you will not get any pains there, you will not get any infection in your breast. I'm telling you the truth. It's good to be. I know that some people will be laughing and saying, men said they too like breast. Yes, they too like breast. It's their nature. They like breast so much more than women. So what you are going to do is that you have to leave your husband to be doing it, because he's curing a lot of things in your body. He's curing this cancer for the breast for you. So if you think that you're keeping your breast, that you cannot give it to your husband, my dear, you're deceiving yourself. You are deceiving yourself. So when you have your husband or you have a fiancé, man, you have to be giving him that breast. Yeah, even to make the breast be like this, breast na breast. The sentence where that fat one go give now, so the sentence where that small one go give. If you don't know, make you know. Forget. I'm just telling you. So you have to be giving your husband the breast, to be helping you to be sucking it, so you will not carry any sickness, you will not get cancer, you will not be sick. But some of us will not give the breast. If the man complains, they will say the man is complaining. You have to give your husband the breast to be sucking. If you like make this breast is like slippers, breast my breast, my dear. give it to your husband. If you say your breast is down, you can use this yori